Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. So for today's vlog, we will do another unboxing. So if you want to know more about it, please keep on watching. Hello guys, so today is October 31st, the last day of October. And today, sabi ko nga kanina, I will be sharing with you another unboxing. So for today, unbox natin yung aking charan! So my Airpods Max. This is actually it's not a limited edition, I guess. It's a special edition kasi naglabas sila ng different colors. So ito yung latest na nilabas nila, which is the purple. So I will be sharing with you guys how it looks like. And ito na, so i-unbox na natin. Start from here. Nice. Ang nice ng color, guys. So, let's start unboxing it. Wait lang. Oh my god, it's really hard. I'm sorry, guys. Okay. So, tanggalin natin yung seal sa gilid. Then, let's start opening it. Oh my god, that's it ako. So, i-pull off mo lang siya. Pagka-alis ito, you can easily pull it off. Ayan. Oh my god. The box is really nice. And it's purple. So for those people na super love ang purple, this one's good for you. Actually, I'm not a purple person, pero na-amaze ako dun sa color since it's a special edition. Charan! So let me open it for you guys. So, based on dun sa box, may kasama na siyang smart case. So, tingnan natin. Pagkabukas. Okay, it's really hard. So, hold on guys. Ayan. Ang taka ko magbukas guys. So, ayan. Oops. So there you go guys. So may kasama na siyang smart case. So goes along with a smart case. Ito siya. Tapos inside is, aside from the smart case, meron na din siya. Siyempre yung manual. Yung manual. And of course, the charger. Charan! So, type C. Yata. No, it's not a type C. Hindi siya type C. It's the lightning cord. So, yun lang yung laman niya, guys. So, tingnan natin. So, yun siya. So, alisin natin yung top cover. Magnetic yung nandito. Ayan, ang nice. Wow. Ayan yung color. Tapos, dito sila charge. Yung volume. Ayan. So, ayan siya guys. So, this is the Airpods Max Purple Edition. There you have it guys. I hope you like my unboxing. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have requests for me to unbox or you wanted me to do, please comment down below. Until my next vlog guys,